Does U.S. Code Title 18, Part 1, Chapter 101, Section 2071 disqualify Hillary Clinton from running for president? This is Barron Hansen reporting on October 31st, 2016 from LetMeGetThisRight.com. There are a lot of memes making their way around the internets right now quoting U.S. Code Title 18, Part 1, Chapter 101, Section 2071, claiming that it disqualifies Hillary Clinton for running for president or holding any office in the United States. So I decided to go to the source and let you come to your own decisions and your own conclusions. So what exactly does this law state? Well, I went straight to the United States Government Publishing website, which you can find at gpo.gov, and right over to Title 18, and we are at Section 2071, and what this covers is concealment, removal, or mutilation generally. And what does it say? Whoever willfully and unlawfully conceals, removes, mutilates, obliterates, or destroys, or attempts to do so, or with intent to do so, takes and carries away any record, proceeding, map, book, paper, document, or other thing filed or deposited with any clerk or officer of any court of the United States or in public office, or with any judicial or public officer of the United States, shall be fined under this title, or imprisoned not more than 3 years, or both. Whoever having the custody of any such records, proceeding, map, book, document, paper, or other thing willfully and unlawfully conceals, removes, mutilates, obliterates, falsifies, or destroys the same, shall be fined under this title or imprisoned not more than 3 years, or both, and shall forfeit his office and be disqualified from holding any office under the United States. As used in this subsection, the term office does not include the office held by any person as a retired officer of the Armed Forces of the United States. The fine that is referenced here would be a fine not more than $2,000. What I'm not personally clear about is whether this is per instance or if it would be a blanket type of fine and imprisonment. But we do know that Hillary Clinton, by her own admission, deleted over 33,000 emails, and out of the ones that the FBI was able to recover, there's been special access program emails, there has been top secret emails, there's been confidential emails, all of which were improperly passed on her unsecured system, and then also that she tried to destroy after the fact. And in the revelations from the FBI and other sources, we know that she destroyed a lot of these records after the subpoena was issued for her to release and turn over all of these documents. None of these things would have been a problem if she simply would have used a Department of State, the Secretary of State's office, regular email system, but she whipped up a homebrew server that she kept in her bathroom and then got moved over to some unsecure facility that was managed by a company that did not have the proper security clearances. And really what that leads us to the conclusion of is that, yes, under this definition of the law, she has removed, destroyed, and obliterated records that were not only pertinent to her work, but she did so in an attempt to basically circumvent FOIA requests so that people filing Freedom of Information requests could not find those emails. They could not get to them. That it would have forced them to go ahead and try to get to those emails through all the other people in her office and anybody else she communicated with. So now you know that if you've seen these memes floating around the internet, around Facebook, around Twitter, and referencing this Title 18, Part 1, Chapter 101, Section 207, that here it is in black and white directly from the United States government's website. And I leave it to you really to come to your own conclusion, but I think the the conclusion we can all draw from this is that it's pretty clear that she has not only broken the law once, but if this was applied to every instance of every email that she has destroyed, that it could be a pretty damning type of not only imprisonment, but fines as well, and absolutely would disqualify her from holding any office in the United States, and that certainly would include the highest office of the United States, being the presidency. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed the information that I've thrown out here. Please like and share this video, and if you want to see more videos from Let Me Get This Right, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. And check out letmegetthisright.com, where I've assembled quite a few videos that I've watched over the years that have brought me to a lot of the beliefs and understanding that I have about how the government and a lot of these corrupt folks work. And it doesn't matter whether it's Republicans or Democrats or anybody in between. We've had politicians selling us out and selling us down the river to line their pockets and increase their power for decades. And all this, although this particular instance is about Hillary Clinton, I'd really love to see the same thing happen to lots of people that are currently involved in our government, both elected and appointed, because it's really time to clean house and get some really good people in there that care about the position, that care about our country, and aren't there just to simply line their own pockets and to expand their own power. It's time for citizen politicians again, people that truly care about and love this country. So again, like this video, share it, comment down below. I can't say I'll be in on all the comments, but I will jump in wherever I can. And make sure to subscribe to the channel so you can get more updates. Have a great day.